Hi Engineering Janta, I am Vaibhav Shukla and today we'll be discussing about the generative AI roadmap. A lot of students had asked us that Gen AI is booming, we've been hearing a lot about Gen AI, you go ahead, explain us something about that. So for that, I'm explaining this Gen AI roadmap. However, to all the freshers, it is a sincere advice that please first of all learn about the basic data concepts, learn about data analysis, data science first, AI first, ML first, fine. And in this roadmap as well, I'll cover a few things. But if you're genuinely interested in AI, first of all, learn the basic technologies that are existing if you're in college. If you're a working professional, then this roadmap you can cover very fastly. If you're somebody who's in college, you'll need time to brush up the concepts, fine. Now, if you're not following me on Instagram, follow me there. You can directly message or text me there and I can help you out with those queries. Fine. So follow me on the Instagram. Let's dive in deep now. And the first step for it is Python. Fine. Python is the first step whenever we talk about any technology of AI. Fine. So Python you need to understand well, and for that what you should cover for Gen AI is the basic syntax. Fine. This basic syntax you need to cover well. You need to cover variables, data types, control structures, loops, this whole bunch. If you know C, if C language is known by you, in this case this whole bunch can be covered very fast and smoothly. If you know any language prior to this, things will be super easy. Now you go to functions, recursions, these two topics very important. Most of the time of yours would go here, so you must not miss them out. List, dictionaries, tuples, sets, file handling and OOPS concepts. If you've covered all this, Python is done. Fine. So Python बहुत important है. Python lays a foundation for you people. So you must think that whenever you think AI, whenever you even dream about AI, Python is the gatekeeper. You need to cross it. Fine. Now, once you're done with Python, what do you have at your hands? Refresh yourself with AI and ML family. Look, basic machine learning and NLP concepts. Anybody who's learning Gen AI, let me tell you one industry reality. Most of the Gen AI is being used for the NLP or being used somewhere where natural language processing is being done. Fine. So majority portion of the Gen AI is being utilized in this technology, NLP. So focus more here. Try learning NLP more here. However, Gen AI scope is not just limited to NLP, but right now the industry reality is that maximum job of Gen AI needs NLP as a strong concept or a strong bedrock where you should master it. Fine. So start with basic machine learning and basic NLP concepts. So here what you need to learn is word to vec. Fine. Or what you can learn is tokenization. Fine. Lemmatization. All these concepts of oh my god, it is not letting me write lemmatization. Fine, I'll write it again. Lemmatization. Fine. So this you should learn. Then come to the neural networks. In neural networks, first of all, start from the very basic. What exactly a neural network is? Try learning that. Then what you should cover is ANN, artificial neural network. Very important. Then what you can cover is CNN. What is CNN? Not the news channel. It is convolutional neural network. Convolutional neural networks is a type of artificial neural network only. It is a sub branch in neural networks, where on neural networks you apply convolution operations. Fine. So that you should be well versed with. Once you're refreshed with this, then learn a bit about RNNs, recurrent neural networks, and reinforcement learning a bit. Fine. However, you can learn about this in the basic machine learning concepts only. Here two things you have to learn. One is supervised ML, another is unsupervised. Fine. Here you will have regression classification, there you will have clustering, so such things. you need to understand. Then you come to the advanced NLP concepts, how NLP is being executed, build some good projects. Proper advanced concepts of NLP should be covered by you. Now you should dive in deep into the NLP concepts. Natural language processing should be at the back of your hand. With that fluency you have to work. Here a few libraries of NLP also you should explore that can help you out. Now when I go further, then it is time to get familiar with the transformers, get friendly with them, because it is the transformers model that are the bedrock or the essential component of the portion of generative AI. Fine. When you hear about GPT, na, this T stands for transformer only. Fine. So transformer models are very, very important. Fine. And that's why I'm telling you that these lay the foundation of Gen AI. Henceforth, having a good grip of transformers is essential to learn Gen AI. Now, good grip of NLP gets you a job in industry. Fine. Good grip of NLP is basically a job requirement that you're trying to fulfill. This transformers is the skill requirement. If you want to be good in Gen AI, here is the particular technology where you should focus the most. Transformers are something that you should never miss. Not at all. I would never advise somebody to learn Gen AI without learning transformers. Honestly, nobody can do that also. Fine. Without learning transformers, you cannot straight away jump to Gen AI. Now, learn encoder decoder mechanisms. Now, I cannot explain what encoder decoder mechanism is because it is a detailed topic, but I would suggest you, when you will study this encoder decoder, na, alongside that, study a bit about bidirectional RNN. Before studying transformers, in the advanced NLP concepts, study this bidirectional RNN. Fine. Then encoder decoder you should start. Then go to attention mechanisms, self-attention mechanisms. There are available. Fine. Study. Then come to the sequence to sequence model. Fine. This sequence to sequence model is basically for sequential data. It is again a machine learning technology only. Fine. So you should learn this as well. Once you're good to go with transformers, once you're good here, then dive into Gen AI, the proper Gen AI. Learn GPT-4, learn models like Llama. These are large language models. These are big models which are actually very, very useful in the longer term for your Gen AI career. And here the actual Gen AI learning would take place. So this is the deep dive into Gen AI. Now, learn about Hugging Face, learn about open source LLM models. Fine. Along with this, learn about vector databases, ChromaDB, CassandraDB, vector storing, learn a bit about that. Fine. Now, a few add-ups on this, a few things you can add upon this, which is prompt engineering. Fine. Prompt engineering. You should learn. You should learn about RAGs. Fine. So, these two things you'll always find in the job requirements. However, the base to them lies here, but learn about RAGs, learn about prompt engineering as well. And once you've learned it, once you've mastered it, you can postpone this portion here as well in the deployment of LLM projects. So here you can learn about, first of all, how to deploy it on AWS or Azure. So basically, cloud pipelining, you should know continuous integration, continuous development, a bit about MLOps. You should explore what Hugging Face Spaces is, what Langsmith is, and alongside this, you can also shift things of prompt engineering here. Fine. So in prompt engineering, two very prominent things that you can learn is, one is Stable Diffusion. Fine. Another one is Dolly. Fine. Out of these two, one you can learn. Fine. And that can help you in prompt engineering. Also a bit about GPTs. There also you learn about prompt engineering, and you have to learn about RAGs, fine, retrieval augmented generation. So that can help you out. And this is pretty much about the roadmap of Gen AI. If you've mastered these concepts, you can fairly and squarely secure a good job in the domain of Gen AI. Fine. The whole point is working hard is the key, and working smartly as well at the same time is the key to success. Fine. If you want to be successful in the field of Gen AI, don't just limit yourself to Gen AI. Don't just apply to Gen AI jobs. Learn wholly solely about machine learning, NLP, so that you can also apply for a few data science jobs. Learn a bit about visualizations as well, because all of this will help you in Gen AI as well. Fine. So that's pretty much about Gen AI roadmap, and I would suggest you go ahead in comments, tell us what you want next from us, or what do you like in this video. Are you enjoying the sessions with me or not? Tell me in the comment section, because top 3 comments might stand a chance to win a PrepInsta Prime subscription for free. Alongside that, you can follow me on the Instagram handle if you want to directly connect to me. And whatever good, whatever knowledge you found in this video share karo ya nahi karo, knowledge zarur share karo. Fine. Keep doing good for others without any expectations. Good will come back to you. Universe will return multifolds of it to you. Fine. And go ahead, follow us on these social media handles so that you never miss any hiring update from our side. So go ahead, spread optimism in the society, keep working hard, keep grinding hard. Success will very soon knock your door. Have a wonderful day ahead. Thank you.